In this video, I'll show you how to recover files in Photopea step by step. If you accidentally closed your project, lost unsaved changes, or your browser crashed while editing, don't worry. There are a few methods you can try to recover your work. First, reopen your web browser and go to **Photopea.com*. If Photopea detects an auto-saved project from your previous session, it may display a recovery prompt. If you see this option, click **recover** or restore* to open the recovered project. If you had already saved your project as a PSD** file, click **file**, then **open**, and select the saved PSD file from your computer. Since PSD files preserve all layers and edits, you can continue working exactly where you left off. If your browser crashed unexpectedly, avoid opening too many new tabs before checking Photopea. Some browsers offer an option to restore your previous session, which may also restore your Photopea tab. You should also check your computer's *downloads** folder or the folder where you normally save your files. Sometimes the project was successfully downloaded but saved in a different location than expected. To avoid losing work in the future, save your project regularly by clicking **file** and save as PSD**. It's also a good idea to create multiple versions of important projects, such as *project v1*, project v2*, and project final**, so you always have a backup. If you're exporting finished images, remember to save both the editable PSD file and the final PNG or JPG version. This gives you the flexibility to make changes later without starting from scratch. That's how you can recover files and protect your work in Photopea. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Photopea tutorials.